Hi, today I have brother at my side. Well, before you think something else, I'm talking about the stall brother at IMTEX 2025, and we have with us Mr. Eric Namikata, MD of Brother.
Hello, I'm Eric Namikata, Managing Director of Brother Machinery India.
So, could you let us know the key technologies and offerings that you have displayed at your mammoth stall here at IMTEX?
Yes, we have shown 5 models at this IMTEX this time. I especially want to highlight our first India-made machines, the SBD1 series. This machine is exactly same spec model as our SXD1 series, which was made in Japan. We started manufacturing in our Tumakuru plant, which was the first dispatch was from December of this year.
So, given that Brother has just entered India, so what are the key target markets you are looking at?
Actually, we are focusing both of automotive and non-automotive market. We already have a very good experience for this automotive market, but for this non-automotive market also, we can see big demand for profile machining, where we are trying to give a solution through our product lineup, having a 5-axis machine, multitasking machine, and along with the 5-axis simultaneous control machines also.
So, also let us know about your future plans.
We are trying not only to supply the machine, but the key point is to how to give the solution to the customers. This will be very important. And not only for the pre-sales, but also for the post-sales activity that will be there. During the pre-sales activity, we try to understand what is a customer component and what will be the suitable model and what will be the suitable cutting tools, holders for the customers, giving this kind of a technical solution. This would be for the pre-sales activity. But even after selling the machine, that means for as a post-sales activity, we try to go to customers' place at site along with the application service engineer, understanding what would be the challenge there at customer site and trying to give some solution. As a result, for example, shortening their cycle time or improving their CPK. So these kind of activities we are also doing even after selling our machine.
Thank you. That was too spontaneous and spot on.